driving the GR Corolla, and I am excited. Well, just some news I gotta tell you. I'm almost at 1,000 miles since I bought the car. I haven't reached that milestone yet, but I'm almost there. Let me show it to you guys. Here you go, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to zoom in. There you go. That's where I'm at right now. Okay, so I'm almost there. I'll show you guys once I get to 1,000 milestone. There you go, guys. That's giving you a quick little back of the road driving with the GRC. Can't wait till I reach that 1,000 mile. Almost there, guys. This thing is fun to drive. I mean, wow, I love driving it. All right, this is where we are now. We're close. We are close. We are so close. See? There you go. There you go. Now you can see it. Okay, guys, we're gonna drive it. Almost there. $99, guys. $999. Almost there. Almost there. Yes, guys, we made it. We made it. 1,000 mile. All right, she is in there. We made the 1,000 mile, guys. There you go. You guys can see 1,000 miles. We made it. All right, guys, it's official. I made my first 1,000 mile in the GR Corolla. Haha. Nice, guys. Nice, nice, nice. I love it. All right, guys, until the next milestone. All right, guys, we made it. We made the first 1,000 miles. This was fun, guys. I love driving this car. It's still fun. I think it's gonna be fun for a while, hopefully for a while. So we are in the first 1,000 miles. So I actually did my first oil change early. I know it's way early, but I just wanted to get it over with to make me feel better, get rid of all those little particles that's not supposed to be there. But anyway, it's all done. So thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. I can take some more videos as I'm driving. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comment down below. All right, thank you for watching. Until the next time.